If your meal prep feels like a chore, this game-changing kitchen tool is here to slice the hassle away. Designed for speed, safety, and precision, it turns a mountain of chopping into minutes of effortless prep. Whether you're dicing onions, cubing mangoes, slicing cucumbers, or shredding carrots, this compact yet powerful gadget handles it all with ease, saving you both time and energy. With 6 interchangeable blades, you can switch between fine dicing, thick slicing, julienne strips, and more, each cut landing neatly into the built-in container below. No more mess on your counter, no more slippery cutting boards. The sturdy lid presses down with even pressure, while the grip-friendly handle keeps your fingers safe and away from sharp edges at all times. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone trying to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen. Whether you're making vibrant salads, quick stir-fries, or prepping for a dinner party, this tool simplifies every step. And when you're done, just rinse or toss the parts into the dishwasher. Cleanup is a breeze. From prep to plate, it brings both form and function to your cooking routine and makes every cut count. A tiny astronaut standing on the moon, quietly filling the room with light. Blank ceilings turn into deep space skies, scattered with soft colors and quiet motion, gentle enough for sleep, calming enough for late-night thoughts. It adds a sense of peace, curiosity, and just a touch of magic. Perfect for a bedroom, a reading nook, or anywhere that could use a little wonder. For those who take their tech seriously, this all-in-one cleaning system is a game-changer. From dust hiding beneath your keys to grime in your charging port or smudges on your camera lens, it's designed to handle the delicate details that most tools miss, thoroughly, safely, and with precision. Tucked neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, it includes everything from soft and firm brushes to air blowers, precision tips, a microfiber cloth, a refillable spray bottle, and even tiny tools crafted just for earbuds, SIM trays, and headphone slots. Each item fits perfectly in its own compartment, keeping the whole kit organized, protected, and always ready to go. No more improvising with cotton swabs or paper clips. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or someone who simply values spotless gear, this toolkit helps restore your devices to their best condition, without hassle or risk. Take care of your tech the smart way, wherever you are. Tired of digging through messy toolboxes for the right bit? This all-in-one magnetic mini screwdriver kit solves that in style. From tech repairs to tiny home fixes, it packs everything you need in one sleek case. The magnetic storage keeps each bit organized and easy to access, while the rotatable handle provides a solid, comfortable grip. Every bit is crafted with precision and labeled clearly. No more guesswork, no more mismatches. Whether you're tightening a hinge, swapping out laptop parts, or fixing your watch, there's a tool in here that fits. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for your desk, your bag, or your car. Clean, compact, and endlessly useful. This is the screwdriver kit you'll actually want to carry everywhere. These LED reading glasses are the hands-free solution you didn't know you needed. 2 built-in lights shine directly from the frame, perfect for reading, sewing, walking in the dark, or fixing small objects. Ideal for nighttime tasks without disturbing others. Battery-powered, lightweight, and comfortable for extended wear. Illuminate your world, one glance at a time. Brew tea the easy way with this heat-resistant glass teapot. Designed for elegance, built for everyday comfort. Just add your favorite loose leaves, pour in hot water, and press the button on top. The tea filters through gently, giving you a smooth, clean pour without oversteeping. Its transparent body lets you enjoy the color and clarity of each brew, while the ergonomic handle ensures a steady, confident grip. Whether it's a peaceful morning routine or an evening with guests, this teapot turns every moment into a small celebration of tea, simplicity, and warmth. Always with you, never in the way. This stainless steel ring hides a tool for those who like to stay ready. Sleek and durable, it blends clean design with unexpected function. Flip it open when needed, keep it discreet when not. Built for travelers, gym goers, and daily adventurers, this spacious yet lightweight bag redefines convenience. With a sleek foldable design, it takes up virtually no space when not in use, but expands into a roomy travel companion when needed. Whether you're heading to the airport, packing for a weekend getaway, or just need extra space for shopping, this bag flexes to fit your life. The multiple compartments help you stay organized. From the main section that fits clothes and shoes to smaller pockets, perfect for your phone, chargers, passport, or toiletries. The rear strap easily slides over your suitcase handle, turning it into the perfect carry-on. Water-resistant fabric keeps your items protected from sudden weather changes, while the reinforced stitching and durable zippers ensure it stands up to everyday use. And when the trip's over, just fold it back into its compact form and tuck it away. No bulk, no hassle, just a smart, stylish way to carry more without weighing yourself down. This mini power bank fits right on your keychain and powers your phone when you need it most. No cables, no hassle, just plug in and charge. Compact, fast, and always ready. It's the backup you'll always be glad you brought. A clean, modern lamp that adapts to your space. Touch to switch, fold to adjust, and use it however you like. Standing, hanging, or flat. Soft light when you want to relax, bright focus when you need to work. Simple, warm, and always useful.